We took the bulk 45 centimeters. To disassemble the bulk into lengths, we need a hard card for extensions and a card with long teeth for extensions. We remove the scrunchie. We evenly distribute the bulk along the card, leaving a free edge of the hair about 10 centimeters. We fix the bulk. We arrange the card in such a way that it is convenient to work with the ends of the hair. Our work depends entirely on the answer to the question of what lengths the bulk needs to be parsed. Work with a length of 35 centimeters comes from the middle of the bulk. Hair 30 centimeters long is located closer to the card. In order to remove the longest hair from the bulk, namely 40 to 45 centimeters, we take them, retreating 5 centimeters from the end of the bulk. Holding the card with the right hand, with the left we take and pull the longest hair. We place a strand of hair on a card with long teeth. Don't mix up the beginning and end of the hair. Carefully open the card. We collect hair from the card, working at the beginning of the bulk. We fix each cut with ties. We separates the bulk into lengths, 40 to 45, 35 and 30 centimeters. You can further, for example, do extensions like a layer haircut. To tighten the top of each hair bulk, you need to work out each one separately. How to do this was described in detail in the capsulation training.